kids. In our today's session, we will learn to find the perimeter of a square using a formula. Earlier, what we were doing. See, here is one simple figure. That is a square. If we have to find the perimeter of a figure, what we do? We simply add all the sides. Like perimeter will be S plus S plus S. This is the measurement. 4 sides. This is 4 times side. So you can say 4S. This is the perimeter of a square. So here we get the formula. Perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. 4 multiply side. Fine. Now the second question of exercise 8.1. The sides of some squares are given. Find their perimeter using the formula. Formula we have just learned. Side is equal to 6.4 meter. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiply side. Here 4 multiply 6.4 meter. We will multiply these two. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 6 are 24 and 1 25. Decimal 1 digit from the back. Meter. This is our answer. Fine. Third question is, the sides of some triangles are given, find the perimeter. Here 3 sides are given. We will write side 1 is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Side 2 is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And side 3 is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And perimeter will be sum of all the sides. So you can write side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Now we will add these 3 measurements. 6.3 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter plus 5 3 8 to 10, carry 1, 16. So the perimeter will be 16 centimeter and this is our answer. We can ignore this 0. Fourth question is, Rita wants to put a lace around a rectangular gift. This is a rectangular gift of length 15 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. Find the length of the lace required. Where the lace will be required. Here she will put the lace around the gift. Means what to find? We have to find the length of the lace, or you can say we have to find the perimeter or the boundary of the gift. So here we will write length of rectangle 15 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, perimeter will be 2 multiply length plus breadth 2 multiply 15 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, 2 multiply 90 centimeter is equal to 38 centimeter. Hence we can say length of lace required is 38 centimeter. Hence lace required is equal to 38 centimeter. This is our final answer. Our fifth question is, Raghav walks around a square park whose side is 72 meter. This is a square park whose side is 72 meter. If we take 6 rounds of the park, how much did he walk in all? See, if he starts walking from here and moves like this, so the distance covered in 1 round will be the perimeter of the square park. So it's very simple. First of all, we will take the perimeter of this square park. Then we will multiply perimeter by 6 to get the distance covered in the 6 rounds. Side 72 meter, distance covered in 1 round. 4 multiply side. 4 multiply 72 meter. It's 288 meter. Distance covered in 1 round. Now we will find distance covered in 6 rounds. We will multiply distance covered in one round by 6. We will find 6 8s are 48. Our sixth question, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle if its side is 12 centimeter. What an equilateral triangle is? A triangle with all the sides of equal length is called the equilateral triangle. Here we are having one equilateral triangle. Sides are equal. Side is 12 centimeter each. So perimeter will be side plus side plus side, or we can say 3 multiply side. 3 multiply side is 12 centimeter. So the perimeter will be 36 centimeter, and this will be our final answer. Our last question, find the side of the square table if the perimeter of the table is 60 centimeter. Earlier we have to find the perimeter, but in this question we need to find the side of the square table. Perimeter is 60 centimeters, side we need to find. We don't know the formula. When we are not aware of the formula, simply use the formula which you know. We know the perimeter of square formula, 4 multiply side. Fill the values. Perimeter is 60 centimeter is equal to 4 multiply side. Keep side on one side, and the 4 which is in multiply will come in divide on this side. 60 centimeter divided by 4. Fine. It will be 15 centimeter is equal to side. I hope you understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.